Under the hood, Tacoma is no slouch. It offers an engine choice between an efficient and practical 2.7-liter four-cylinder and a 3.5-liter V6 that boasts a whopping 278 horsepower and includes standard Class 4 towing equipment. Depending on model, these engines can be paired with either a 6-speed automatic transmission or a 6-speed manual transmission, a rarity in today's market and a blessing to drivers that want to row their own gears. Additionally, Tacoma can be had in either 2-wheel drive or 4-wheel drive, the latter of which offers some seriously cool available off-road features, like a locking rear differential, multi-terrain select, crawl control, and more. Now, while it's true that Ranger only offers one powertrain, at least it's a good one. Its 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine and 10-speed automatic transmission offer an impressive balance of power and efficiency. In fact, even though it can't quite match Tacoma's total horsepower, it does produce best-in-class torque, a very useful thing in a truck. But don't let that fool you into believing that Tacoma can't meet everyday hauling and towing demands. And Ranger's lack of a manual transmission also means that stick-shift enthusiasts are simply out of luck. Plus, its standard ground clearance tops out at 8.9 inches, which can't quite match Tacoma's standard 9.4-inch figure. Same goes for its standard approach angle, which tops out at 28.7 degrees, while Tacoma TRD models boast approach angles as steep as 35 degrees. Like Tacoma, Ranger can be outfitted with 4-wheel drive, although it doesn't offer any dedicated off-road models to match Tacoma's TRD range. This clearly represents an advantage for Tacoma and its wide range of active lifestyle enthusiasts. So instead, Ranger relies on the FX4 off-road package to satisfy enthusiasts with features like sport-tuned shocks, tires, and skid plates, as well as terrain management and trail control systems. That said, to equip this off-road package on XL models, 2 other packages must also be added, quickly changing Ranger's value proposition. Similarly, its trailer tow package must be equipped separately, as opposed to Tacoma's V6 tow package, which comes standard on all V6 models.